Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery for your Hyundai Santa Fe key. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This entire process is straightforward and should take you less than 5 minutes. Let's get started with the first step of opening the key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once it's slightly open, you can usually pull the halves apart by hand. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working correctly. And hey, while you're checking things out, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.